Welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Hey, are you guys tired of making those complicated holiday desserts? Well, stick around because Chef Dom is going to show you how to make this easy New York-style pumpkin cheesecake. That's a real showstopper.
Really good.
All right, let's get cooking.
Hey guys, today we're gonna do a pumpkin cheesecake. I used to do this at Daddy Jack's, for the holidays. It's real simple, good. Philadelphia cream cheese, pumpkin mix, eggs, graham cracker crumbs for the bottom of the pan, heavy cream, brown sugar, regular sugar, vanilla, and allspice pumpkin. All right, guys, we're gonna make our pumpkin cheesecake mix now. We got 2 pounds of cream cheese in there. We're just gonna add maybe just 1 of these.
1 can?
Yeah, we'll try it. If it needs more, we'll, because I can't remember, because I used to make batches for like, 10, 12 cheesecakes at a time. So
Right.
let's start off with our eggs. We're gonna put a couple of eggs in there.
And what does this make, like a 10-inch cheesecake?
Yeah. Plus, I'm gonna make a fresh whipped cream.
Oh, nice.
For the top of this.
Hey, that's pretty traditional with pumpkin pie, right?
Yeah, definitely. We're gonna start out with sugar, a little brown sugar. We got our pumpkin spice. Maybe a teaspoon. This is homemade vanilla right here, guys. You want to go easy with this. I'm going to add some heavy cream. I got some flour here. Like I said, I've never made a small batch like this before, so that's why you try it before before you put it in the oven, and if it needs more sugar. This is on low, isn't it? Just let that mix. And the thing also too is a lot of people ask me why their cheesecake cracks. It's probably because you either have the machine on too long or on too high. It creates bubbles.
Ah, that's right.
So,
yeah,
right.
That's right.
So you want to just do it, and you want to get the cream cheese as soft as possible.
Ready, Doc?
I think it's ready.
All right.
All right, guys. Look at that.
Looks really good. That looks really good.
Okay, we're gonna butter our pan a little bit, and then put some flour. All right, we're gonna just throw some flour in here, and then we'll mix it all up. And then if there's any excess, you just dump it out. All right. Okay.
This one kind of had like a film of flour on there.
Yeah. Okay. We have some graham cracker crumbs, and now we're gonna put them in there.
We actually took the whole cookie and we put it in the food processor.
Yeah, I couldn't find any crumbs.
Made it nice. Very nice. Oh, man.
You must be hungry, Paul.
I am hungry. It's going to be good. That cheesecake is like my favorite dessert.
All right. Okay, now we're going to put our mix in there now.
All right, ready for the oven?
Ready for the oven.
Right.
Okay, we're gonna put this in there now. It's on 325. Takes over an hour to cook.
Oh, nice.
We'll just check it in an hour. Middle rack. And there you go.
All right, while that cake is cooking, I want to give a special thanks to one of our subscribers, Don Frank, 4429. He gave us a very generous super thanks, and we really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. And also, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We have a ton of recipes on our channel and more to come. We're probably at 70,000 right now. By the time you see this video, our goal is 100,000 subscribers.
Million.
Yeah. Anyway, we appreciate the subscribers, and also we want to thank all the folks who purchased our cookbook. I hope you're enjoying it, and if you don't mind, if you really like it and want to leave a 5-star review on Amazon, that helps us also. Oh yeah. Oh, cake stuff.
All right, guys, we're gonna make our whipped cream.
Fresh whipped cream.
Fresh whipped cream. I want to put a little powdered sugar in there.
It's real easy. I mean, right? You just
That's it.
Whip it up. That's it.
Here we go.
Let's taste that. Oh man, that's so good. Look at that beautiful freaking cake. Topped off with the traditional whipped cream.
Real whipped cream.
On a pumpkin.
None of that Cool Whip crap.
Oh man, that's gonna be good. There we go. That is beautiful.
Oh my God, it's very, it's very creamy.
Oh my God, it looks good. Oh man. Perfect. Look at that cheesecake.
Beautiful. Yum, yum. Here's your fork.
All right, let's check it out, man.
Good.
So creamy. So that's a perfect balance.
Yeah.
You honestly have to try this cheesecake. You will love it. It's so light. Very, very good. If you guys make this pumpkin cheesecake, it will be an absolute showstopper, a favorite. They will love it. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers. Happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you guys next time.
Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Don't eat too much.